Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to unblock a number existing contact on your HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To do this simple operation, we will go to phone here. Next, we have to go to contacts here. Which contact was blocked? This one, we can see here, this name is blocked. To unblock it, we have to go to more options, remove from blacklist, and it's now active again, and we can talk with this number again. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.